you feel like you're progressing forward, and yet you're taking two steps and then two steps take you backward, or three steps forward and even four steps backward, and you end up with a sense that you're getting nowhere. What's actually happening is not that you're not progressing, it's that you're not assembling your effort in the right patterns. And that's not about systems, it's about your own energetic alignment. I'll get to that in a moment. But the other aspect of this two steps forward, three steps back is you're not being patient for the inevitable success. And that takes time. In this crazy world of instant gratification, we are simply impatient for success to happen. This card from the Oracle of the Lake deck, when it appears, is meant to have you reflect on this. It is the Stacking Wood card. When it shows up, again, it's about not assembling that right effort, that having the right energy to put into the work that you're doing, and not staying grounded and centered, but being more impatient. But what we're seeing in this card is you're ready. You are doing the work, and success is inevitable for you. You need to simply shift and align your energies to work smarter, not harder, by embodying who you are into the work and putting light energy into that, embodying, celebrating who you are as you're doing the work and enjoying the process, because that allows greater traction and more success, dare I say, a little bit sooner. And this takes grounding energy. This is an earth card after all. And that grounding and knowing who you are and putting that confidence into any endeavor allows you to be seen. And that is where success happens. So let's shift your energy, ground and centered so that you feel and can celebrate the steps, one step, two step, and you feel that you're moving forward. You don't need more effort. Clearly, you are doing the work. You need greater alignment. Stacking wood from the Oracle of the Lake deck. Do more of that. Go ahead, read the description first, and then explore how stacking the cards and using them allows you greater personal growth and inevitable success. I'll see you in the next card.